kid, and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Hi, I'm Ariel. This is Cirillo, and our bus is Dino Mingo bus. Do you want to come on in?
Sure.
So this is the front of our bus. Living room is on this side. Kitchen is on this side. It's very lived in. These are our dishes. We have pantry down here. I usually cook on an induction cooktop, so that's right here. But since we're out in the desert, we're trying to conserve energy.
Sure.
We have 100 gallons of fresh water and 100 gray. Then we have these for privacy when we are boondocking like inner city, and those are just outdoor blinds.
Sure.
Cirillo works online, so he works off of 3 monitors. He does electrical drafting, so that's able to keep us on the road financially. The bed turns into like a day bed if we want to hang out as a family in the front living room. We just lift this leaf up and then we lay this cushion down and we can all stay together.
Yeah.
Then we have the kids' bedroom and the restroom. And the restroom has a big shower and a Nivea shower head. And then we have a composting toilet.
Yeah, I like. It's always nice. You stack the kids so that feet are underneath another one, and
Yeah.
saves a lot of space.
Oh yeah. And then the dog hangs out down there in his own little area.
Yep.
And the kids have a spot for all their toys, so I don't have to pick them up.
Theoretically.
Yes. And then our bedroom, we have a Murphy bed. And then this is the foot for the bed. And our quilts, we just take them off. We have a skylight. And then our water pump switches. And this is our cold air for right now. We used to have an AC, but we have a fan. And my husband's closet, the girls' books. And we have one window of garage space in the back. So that's nice because we can put all of our camping stuff back there.
Sure.
And a 4.5 extended.
Yeah, we have our deck.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you've got solar. You were saying how much solar did you
We
have?
have 400 watts of solar up in the roof. Well, I'm installing 4 more, and that will be 800. I'm hoping to add 4 more after that and have 1,200. You know, overall whenever it's done, said and done.
So it's nice you keep adding on. And
Yeah, exactly. Just to power.
now you
up
have lithium batteries?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We have 3 100 amp
Yeah.
hour lithium batteries.
Yeah, that's the way to go too, because you can add on.
Yes.
You know,
yes.
lead acid, they like to all be the same age. Lithium,
You can pretty much purchase as you
Yeah.
go, right? Okay. Yeah.
so I've heard.
Okay, well, we're going to try it out, right?
Yeah, I will too eventually, but very nice. I like that you changed this to a skylight.
Yeah, we're loving that right now because it lets in the heat. But when we don't want the heat, we just put up like a piece of wood.
Sure.
And it hangs out right there.
Oh, very nice. I like what
Thank
you've
you.
done.
Thank you so much.
And do you have any kind of social media presence if somebody wanted to ask any questions or anything?
You can find us on Instagram at Dino Mingo Bus, but we're not big in the TikTok or anything else. Just Instagram.
Yeah.
I like to take little videos and pictures of the girls.
Sure. Cool.
Thank you for checking out our home.
Thanks for the tour.